got me banned from our gym for fun, so I made him too embarrassed to show his face in public again. I should have known something was off the second Travis said, "Bro, let's prank each other for content." He'd been chasing TikTok clout ever since he got 14,000 likes for accidentally dropping a dumbbell on his foot. Suddenly he was a gymfluencer, selling discount codes for protein powder and calling himself a brand. I was just there to lift weights and not implode mentally. But Travis wanted drama, content, a storyline, and apparently I was going to be the side character he sacrificed for views. He started small, recorded me mid-rep without asking, posted a clip of me stretching with the caption, "When your boy doesn't know the cameras are rolling, sus gym bro." It got traction. I told him to chill. He laughed, said, "It's all love, bro. My followers think you're hilarious." Except they didn't. Next thing I knew, I was a recurring character in his feed. Awkward gym guy, the overachiever. This dude thinks he's training for the Olympics, lol. He never tagged me, just filmed from sneaky angles, added voiceovers, and pushed the narrative. I confronted him in the locker room. "Bro, seriously, knock it off. I don't consent to this." He acted all hurt, said I was killing the vibe. Then, behind my back, he did the thing that kicked off this whole mess. He staged a video where I screamed at him over a bench press, edited it to make me look unhinged, claimed I was threatening him, and sent the clip to gym management. I was banned the next day. No warning, no hearing. Just, "We're sorry, but we're a zero-tolerance facility." Travis posted the video with the caption, "Toxic people don't belong in healthy spaces. Our mental health." It got over 800,000 views, and that was the last time he posted anything with my face in it. Because from that point on, I wasn't lifting weights. I was lifting his whole clout-chasing career up by the throat and snapping it in half. First, I made a spreadsheet. Travis had partnerships, affiliate codes with a supplement brand, a few gyms reposting him, even a collab with some micro-influencer apparel line called Repset. I emailed each one anonymously, included timestamps of the videos, screenshots of him violating gym privacy, quotes from his captions that directly violated their positive fitness culture policies. 2 dropped him in 24 hours. 1 posted an apology video about partnering with him. Then I took it local. I printed QR codes that linked to a page with all of his fake drama clips side by side with the original footage. I had backups. Labeled them, "Thinking of training at Gold Rep Gym? Watch what their influencer does when the cameras are off." I slapped them on light poles, bulletin boards, and bathroom mirrors across 5 different gyms. The page blew up. Someone recorded themselves scanning the code and reacting. That went viral. Suddenly Travis was a joke in his own niche, but I wasn't done. He was still bragging about guest speaking at a local fitness expo. It was supposed to be a panel about gym etiquette and mental health. Too easy. I submitted a tip under a fake name, accusing him of harassment and impersonating a licensed trainer. He wasn't certified, just loud. I included links, evidence, and a very detailed account of how he faked his videos. The panel dropped him, but the expo, they didn't tell him. He showed up badge in hand, expecting to walk on stage, and found his name missing from the lineup. They let him in as a guest, not a speaker. When he tried to post photos like he was still on the panel, people called him out immediately. Bro got benched from his own clout panel. Why you lying for likes again? Even his own followers started roasting him. The hashtag changed from hashtag gymbroenergy to hashtag cringecoach. Now, he's still lifting, still posting, but his comments are full of people asking, "Yo, where's the unhinged friend now?" He blocked me everywhere, of course, but he can't block public opinion. He wanted views, he got them. But now, every view comes with a punchline. He got me banned from my gym to boost his clout, so I ripped out his reputation by the roots, 1 rep at a time. Now the only thing Travis lifts is the weight of public embarrassment.